What's going on, guys? Jimmy and Adam here today, and today we're going to be bringing you guys the fourth verified commandment of success, which is your environment, everybody. You know, during college, my story, I would go to class Monday through Friday, and on the weekend, I would just go party with everyone at the bars. And, realistically, I knew that was not my future. I wanted something more. So I knew I had to surround myself with more people that were wanting to be successful, right? They wanted to chase more than the people we were hanging out with in our friend group that just didn't have the same goals as us. So what I started believing is if I start seeing more and more people and surrounding myself and surrounding my environment with more successful people, I'll make more money chasing my dreams.
And this is exactly why people like Tony Robbins, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, they only hang around people that have the same minds as them. When you stop hanging around people that don't push you to your dreams, that don't push you to grow, or push you to inspire to new heights, that's when you're going to see your success start catapulting.
Yeah, guys, the math here is very, very simple. If you want to make $3 million, you got to surround yourself with people that have $3 million. If you want to start your own business, you can't be hanging out with people that are going to the bars every single weekend. You got to hang out with people that are like-minded like you. They are surrounding themselves with the right environment. And when you do and you make the math all correlate, great things are going to happen. I'm not completely saying leave your friends that you grew up with or that just didn't have the same mindset as you. No, they're your friends. But if you wanted to start moving in the right direction, start surrounding yourself with people that are like-minded, like Mark Zuckerberg, like these billionaires, like these millionaires around you. Because I'll tell you one thing, they are out there and they're just like you, but it just kind of comes down to finding the right people. And how do you do that? Is with your right environment.
So to wrap it up, that's commandment number 4 of the verified commandments of success. So make sure you subscribe, hit your notifications so you know when commandment number 5 is released. We'll see you next time.